Okay, so I updated my market flow indicator. This one right here, market flow. You can find it on TradingView by searching for market flow. This one right here by Ready Set Fire. Okay, and this is the what's new. Okay, I did an update a few days ago, I think yesterday, and then a few update today, another update. I just improving the indicator overall. Okay, so here's what's new. When the market flow arms for a future long position, the indicator can now show a wave short signal to write the active bearish flow. That means, for example, here it armed for a long post for a short for a future god damn it, for a future long position, right? So now it shows you that you can write the wave down. Okay, in this case it didn't work, but it basically what it does is for example here, right here you see this yellow triangle down, it armed for a future long position, but a future long meaning reversal, but then it gives you the signal so you can ride that wave down, right? So that's what that is. The same uh, here, it armed over here when the background turns green, it armed for a future reversal short, right? But it gives you the signal over here so you can ride the wave up, okay? That's what that is, okay? And this is what today it gave me this signal over here, right? Over here, I entered a little late, right? And you can ride that way up. Now I got out over here way ahead of time. I had no reason to get out. I should have stayed on the trade. But that's a whole other story, right? And it gives you another entry over here. Um, what else? Before, same thing with the short side. The wave entries are separate from the original long and short. So the way it measures had different settings for it now. Okay. Now I can set a for reversal. I can set uh, for it to give me a reversal, it has to be on a really extended, long or short ride, right? For it to then start looking for a qualifying reversal pattern, right? So that is that. What else? This one's over here, TSL, TSL. That's trailing trail stop loss. So in this candle over here, it give you a notification, right, to trail your stop loss. So when this candle over here happen, you can move your stop loss maybe over here below this moving average or over here, and then it gave you another signal over here to it also hit take profit 150 ticks on that candle right there. But over here it says trail stop loss again. You can trail over here and then it keeps going up. Okay. Uh, Another update. Added a new minimum Hakenachi candles before wave entry settings. So wave entry settings, right, now have their own settings for when to enter. They're separate now from the long reversal or short reversal signals. Okay, you'll see it in the settings. This one is very important, which was added before, right? The preserve the existing flat moving average slope filter. If the moving average is flattish, right, it's not gonna give you a signal, right? Like over here, it's not gonna. This area over here is not gonna give you long or wave long or wave short signal because the moving average is very flattish, and which is a good addition that I noticed that improved the entries a lot. Okay, so that's it pretty much. That's the most important. You can read it for yourself. The release note. If you have this indicator, you should see a little purple or blue circling arrows over here. It's telling you to update it. Okay. If you want to see, this is the settings I use on the 15-minute chart on MES. Okay, EMA 9, length length 9, EMA 9, moving average source, Heikin-Ashi close. You can have a regular close or Heikin-Ashi, but I use Heikin-Ashi close. I have it show the moving average, market flow logic 10, and the body percentage 10, and also confirm on candle close. This is This over here is means that it has to have 10 Heikin-Ashi candles in one direction before it starts looking for a reversal pattern. Okay, that way it actually has when you get the reversal pattern is on a market that's typically overextended. Okay, so that's that. And then for the wave entries, right, that's to catch the wave, right? You have to have 6. Okay, over here I have it set to 6. What else? Use flat moving average slope filter. I'm using that one over here. As low it looks back 3 bars to check for the slope on the moving average. And the slope threshold mode is measuring ticks. You can have it in ticks or points. Right now it's measuring ticks. And the moving average, the slope has to be 10 ticks or more, right? On the last 3 bars. So, check out the settings. I don't want to make this video too long. It's just an update version for the indicator. And check out for yourself if you want to mirror this. I'll be doing a back test video on this to kind of show the winning rate and whatnot. It's a fairly new indicator, but I really like it a lot. And I'll see you guys on the next video.